Hi everybody! Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and a tutorial at the same time. I got a new hairstyling wand. I've been looking into getting a new hairstyling wand because I wanted to explore different thicknesses of wands, if that makes any sense. So I've got like a really thick one and I've got like a middle-sized one, but I found this set here. It basically has 5 different wands inside of it. It's by Whitney Marie, 5-in-1 curling wand. You will see, ta-da, that it looks like this, and it comes in this like little velvet box. You get the main bit. It goes up to 220 degrees and it has like a little display and the buttons on and off and volume. Not volume, heat. The beginning of it was volume because you can play music whilst curling your hair. Woo. And then obviously we've got different size things. These look so rude. Three different like straight ones. So that this is the thickest. It's just the colour. If it wasn't pink, it would be fine. So this would be good for like loose curls, waves, do you know what I mean? Like Lana Del Rey kind of style ones. But then these ones, they are 2 different thicknesses. This would be great for like tighter curls, and this would be sort of a medium curl one. Also, we've got the tapered wand. Now, I love using tapered wands purely because you get the volume at the root and you get the definition at the end. Because it's thinner at this end, you get obviously the hair wraps around it more, which means obviously there's more definition in the curl. So this is the thinnest one and this is the normal one. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be looking at different curling techniques. Let's get this show on the road. First of all, so I'm going to start with the biggest one. I'm going to put it on here. Wow, it's really like a proper like little digital screen on there. With this style, I'm going to be taking like medium chunks, sort of like this size. This style is for a loose wave, kind of retro, subtle, glamorous wave. So I'd start at the top here and I'm just gonna ring it around. What I like about these curlers is they don't have the annoying clamp thing. I find that so frustrating because I don't even ever use the clamp, and like, no, just don't. So that'll come out like these. Ta-da! This style is for a quick fix. Okay, so the curls have been curled. I have lots of tentacles now. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to brush them all out. So you can see there is a nice subtle bounce. Close-up look. Here we go. Nice, subtle, sophisticated curl here. Vintage vibe to it, I think, on this one. Now, obviously, I've used the thick one. If you have shorter hair than me and you still want to go for the same look, it's probably going to be beneficial if you use a slightly thinner one. Probably use one about this thickness if you've got shorter hair. You need it to be thinner so you can get more hair around it. When you use a thick barrel curler on short hair, you don't actually get much hair around it, therefore you won't really get the most out of like. The next look I'm going to be doing is going to be slightly more interesting, but it's kind of more a ethereal, kind of messy look. I'm going to have like this bit quite flat and then have it blah, blah, blah. I'm going to be using the medium. Oh my god, it actually tells you how hot it's getting when you turn it on. Like it goes 40, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, So again, I'm going to be taking smaller sections for this and I'm going to start halfway down the hair rather than right from the top. Like that. So I have middle parted my hair because that is the point. It's like to make a sweeping thing. What I'm going to do with the ends, I am going to backcomb them. I want to make sure that that still looks, there we go. So this somewhat looks quite 70s, this style. So it's all fluffy, ethereal, groovy chick. And for the final look, I am going to be doing a really over-the-top, mega curly whirly jobby. And for that one, I'm going to be using the really the thinnest one in the box. And with this style, I'm going to be taking really small sections, like mega small. And so here it is. This is the finished result, and it's weird because I look like I've got a bob now. Like I might even have to take a selfie of this. Look at this crazy shit. Crazy. But I'm not going to leave it this tight. You can definitely, if you want to, you can leave it this tight. Now I'm going to see what it looks like once it's been brushed out a little bit. So yeah, this is the other look. Really bouncy, huge. I feel like a poodle. I'm a poodle. Woof woof. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please subscribe to my channel and definitely check out this Whitney Marie wand. I'll put the link below to the shop. Bye!